Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 in the Autumn Abundance Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we need our With Thanks stamp, we need the frond stamp again, and we need our die cuts and our banners and our card base. So this is the card base that looks like this. We're going to fold it in half, and we're going to stamp our greeting. So let's go through the whole, let's ink it up with Versamark, like that. And then we're going to ink it up with our ink spot, just like that. And then we're just going to stamp that down, like that. There we go. And then we're just going to wipe that one off. Like that. Okay. And we're going to put this one back on the stamp sheet. It looks like they are picking up just a little bit of color, but not the dark staining that we sometimes see. Okay, so we're just going to pick that one up. And I'm going to place it a little bit better on the stamp. There we go. And sometimes with the stamps that are like wobbly or long and thin, it's easier just to lay them down on the countertop and then pick them up with the block instead of trying to position them correctly on the block. So it looks like we need to stamp one of these this way, and then ink up again, and stamp the other way, right out to the edge, like that. Okay, so let's just put all of that off to the side. Now, I need to take my 3 leaves here, and we're going to put adhesive dots on these, and we've got one of our foil leaves and we've got one of our crushed curry leaves, and the greeting needs to have the adhesive dots as well. So we're going to put just 2 dots on each leaf, like that. There we go. Oops. And then we need to put 3 adhesive dots along the bottom of the greeting. So just making sure I've got that the correct way around. So, and with the adhesive dots, if you go kind of off the edge, you can always just roll it back onto itself and it'll disappear. Okay, now on this little leaf, I need to put one here and one here. Okay, now for the other pieces, I still need this one this way up, but I need this one. So I'm just trying to make sure I'm still in frame for you. And then this one, and I need to take my dimensionals, and I'm going to put 3 dimensionals on the top of the greeting. Okay, just like that. And then 3 on the banner that goes underneath the greeting. So 1, 2, 3. And then I need to put 2 on the foil leaf in the same place that I put them on the other one. So there we go. Okay, so let's build this card. I need to put the banner underneath the greeting. I'm just going to roll that edge up because I was a little bit off. Okay. And so I need to put this, it needs to be offset like this. There we go. Okay, so that's the greeting kind of setup. That goes on last. So now I need to just follow along and okay. Just going to turn all my pieces over so I know what I'm working with here. So looking at the picture, it looks like we're going to put this one on first. Let's kind of anchor our whole design here. This one is going to go like this. And actually, I think this one, it looks like, looking from the picture, it looks like one of these goes actually underneath that. So let's get that organized. So we're just going to lift this one up. There we go. And this is going to come in like this. And then this one goes over top of it. And it looks like almost, I'm looking at the picture trying to build as I go, because it's not, the one with all the toadstools and snails had it separated into pieces, and this one isn't. So we're going to pop this one over here like this. And then we're going to put the Cajun Craze one in the middle like this. And then the crushed curry leaf is going to go in the middle. It probably doesn't matter what order these first layer goes on. I'm just trying to follow the picture specifically. Okay, so that goes down like that. And then we're going to put the foil leaf on. Like this. And then we're going to put our greeting on. So lots of little pieces to peel off the back here. So let's just get that done. And I don't think this is going to be exactly how the picture shows it, but it will be a close facsimile. And then this goes on like this. And I'm just going to hold it up to make sure I'm straight, and I am. So there we go. That is our third project using elements, or using the kit Autumn Abundance from Stampin' Up and Paper Pumpkin. So stay tuned for that first alternate and then one every day this week.